We will assist you with check-in. Our colleague will help you with check-in now.
Good afternoon, welcome to S19 Hotel Jeddah. Our check-in time procedure at 2 o'clock afternoon and check-out time normally at 12 o'clock afternoon. Our hotel is recently opened today. You are so lucky you came in the opening day. Just you need to do you have to present your Emirates ID, original Emirates ID or passport, and our check-in time maximum will take 2 to 3 minutes. Our check-in time will take maximum 2 to 3 minutes. And we have 94 rooms category. We have canal view, we have outside view, we have a twin room, and we have connecting door and family room. What you need to do is just you do the booking, and our team will always welcome you here in the hotel. And our breakfast also start timing from 7 o'clock morning till 10:30. And we will be happy to welcome our guests here. And thank you so much to visit us. Thank you.
We will go and check in the rooms that we have in the hotel. So if you can please follow me. So the idea of the hotel is based on Dubai. Like Dubai is very famous for its really nice beaches, and we also have some nice deserts over here. So the idea falls in line with that, where we have rooms. Let's go to the rooms now and I will show all the features. We have around 13 floors, and out of which we will be visiting the 10th floor. This is our very nice lift that you are in right now. From 5th to 12th floor we have rooms, and from 1st floor to 2nd floor we have offices which are owned by different companies. We have 4 types of room categories. First is executive king, second is executive twin. Basically the differences between the bed types. Third is executive king or twin with canal view, and fourth is family room. We will show you each categories, and then you can see what all features we have and how we can differentiate them. The best part about these rooms is the view. So once you're in, just make sure not to miss out on the view. The view faces directly towards the canal. You can see a very nice full show of all the fountains, of all the light shows that happen in the Festival City area every now and then. We have now reached the 10th floor, and we will be proceeding towards one of the room categories, which is the executive king room. So as you can see, this is our corridor of nice shades of the blue and the brown from the sea and this desert. This is the executive king room. The area of this room is 21 square meter. You can see the view here is the canal view, and there is some construction going on. That's the canal. The higher the floor is, the view is the better. And this room we can convert into twin beds also. So it can be king or it can be twin. Plus this room comes with an additional extra bed which is inbuilt in it. We also have other amenities and features such as a wardrobe. You have a safe, you have the weighing scale, 50-inch color TV which is a smart TV. And we also have a mini bar to keep any of your refreshments in case you come. Connecting room. Okay. So this type of the bed is like a king bed, but it can be converted into a twin bed as well. And as you can see, it's like really soft and nice, so you can definitely have a good chance to enjoy it over here. We provide all the amenities to the guest, as it's a 3-star hotel, so we don't provide with bathroom and all, but we provide normal amenities like sleeper, hangers, prayer mat is there, you can see. Also this room is a connecting room, so if someone is staying with the family, we can always open this connecting room. We will show you the other room which is connected with it. Let's go to the other room. For that, this is also the bathroom, just a slight view on how it may look. And we have a shower, the mirror, the tiles are really pretty tiles, and it also comes with plenty of amenities as well. So moving on to the connecting room bit, we have twin beds. So this room is the same as that one, except it is twin beds, and you can convert this into an extra bed as well. So in case you're coming here with a lot of family members, you can bring up the bed and you can make them sleep here. And also this room has a beautiful canal view. You can see the view from here is amazing. In evening it's very pretty, and you can see the metro line also. We are just close to the Jeddah metro station. It's just 2-minute walk from our hotel. These are our tea coffee amenities. These are the free of charge complimentary we are providing for the guests. We place all the menus
and the message from the management side. Again, we have 50-inch TV. It's a smart TV. You can play everything, YouTube, Netflix, everything is there. Comes with a minibar and the safe.
And as well as high-speed internet in all the rooms. So you cannot miss out on any of the nice channels or movies that you would like to watch in case you want to stay here.
This is the highest category in the hotel. We call it family room. It comes with 2 rooms. This is the first room. This is the twin room.
This is the twin room. In this room, it's the same as what we had seen. We can even make this bed like another extra bed.
And we can make it king bed also. This room is always good for the families. Most of the Arabic people, they are asking for these rooms because they are coming with their kids, families, sisters and wives. So it's ideal room for them, and it's complete privacy. You have your main door. Inside when you come, you have your 2 rooms. So you can have your full privacy. Again, this room comes with 50-inch color TV. It's a smart TV. They can connect to internet, play YouTube, whatever they want. Our complimentary tea, coffee amenities with our breakfast menu and a message from the management.
It also comes with further amenities such as a wardrobe. We do have the minibar and the wing scale, same as the other rooms. And let's not forget the very well equipped toilets. And we also do have a very nice view of the canal. This is the main highlight of this room. And the art of the room, the interior decoration is also not definitely worth the while. Moving on.
This is the connecting room. This is the family room. Comes with king bed. Again, it's as per guest preference. If they want to have both bedroom with king bed, we can always do that. If they want both bedroom with twin bed, we can always do that. It's again up to the guest. If they want extra bed, we can always provide that also. All the rooms are kid friendly. We are allowing all the ages of kids. There are no restriction in ages. But yeah, there are some certain charges. For an example, 0 to 3 years, it's free. 3 to 12, we don't charge anything for the stay, but we charge half prices for the meal. And 12 and above we consider as adult. So for sure there will be some charges for 12 and above.
This is definitely a place if you want to come by with your family or with anyone else who like to enjoy a nice holiday over here. We also do have other places where you can visit within the hotel, such as the pool and the gym. So it's definitely a very good place and you cannot miss out on this room, especially given its close proximity to the sea, to Dubai Mall, and to many other like the metro station, the Jeddah metro station, and other landmarks within Dubai.
So this is all about the rooms. If you want, we can take you to show the swimming pool now.
So now we are in the executive canal view room. This room is a king-sized bed, and this can be converted into a twin room as well. And we can also convert it into a room which has an extra bed. Same as the other rooms, you can just pull out the extra bed from here, and it would be a perfect space if you would like to come with family or friends, with the bigger groups. It definitely caters to different segments, and apart from that, it overlooks the entire canal view. So this room is definitely not a miss out if you really like to look at skylines, if you adore the beauty of Dubai. And it definitely is worth trying once in a while at least. Apart from that, it does come with other amenities such as 50-inch screen TV. We do have other amenities which come same as the other room, kettles. You can make coffee in your room and just sit by the window and enjoy. Apart from that, we do have a mini bar, we have the safe, we have the wing scale. And this is the bathroom that caters to you once you are checked into the room. It's definitely not miss out, and again it caters to the interior caters to the Dubai concept, which includes sea and the desert. And now we're back in the corridor, and the corridor of course also caters towards Dubai, like the whole art of Dubai. The blue
the desert,
represents
the ocean,
the
sky.
The blue.
Yes, if you love the art, you should visit S19 Hotel Al Jeddah.
If you're an artistic person, you should definitely come here. It has a lot of artistic features, especially in terms of the view. The view in almost all the rooms are amazing, and they're fantastic.
Some of the rooms they are featuring Burj Khalifa also. You can see Burj Khalifa if the weather is good.
We are now on the first floor. The first floor is the most happening place in the hotel. So over here we have a lot of facilities. We have the all-day dining restaurant, we have a gym, and we have the swimming pool. So let me take you towards the gym and show you what it does come equipped with. So as you can see, the gym has a city view. We do have the latest equipment all over here, so it's perfect if you want to work out like after a very hectic schedule that you have in your day. You can come here, and this is the #1 place that you can definitely work out at. You can also enjoy the city view. It faces the main road, the Al Khail Road. And if you're a gym fanatic, there are lots of other features that we have over here. Like we have cycles, we have the modern updated weights system, we have some dumbbells, and we do have the treadmills and another cycle over there. So it's quite a good number of machines, especially in a 3-star hotel. And of course, if you like the gym, as I said before, it's one of the biggest places that you can come over here in the hotel. I will show you further off and for the rest of the facilities on the first floor. We will take you to the swimming pool now. But before the swimming pool, we have the lockers. People who are using swimming pool and gym, they can use this water. We have for females and males as well. Plus, they can utilize these lockers also to keep their belongings. Let's go to the swimming pool. And now show you the swimming pool. So this is a swimming pool. It's a little bit long. In terms of meters, it's around 6 meters. We do have a kids pool which is protected with a barricade so that the kids don't step into the adults swimming pool. So safety is definitely the one thing that we have considered over here. And if you want to bring your kids along, this is the #1 place that you can come to bring them for time pass, play.
And we are planning to have a cocktail table here. So as this is a non-alcoholic property, so we'll be serving some soft drinks, juices over here. And when the weather will be good, people can down outside also. We can accommodate approx 16 packs here on this deck. So they can have their breakfast, lunch, dinner, or their evening high tea, whatever they want. But when the weather will be good.
The pool is not very deep. It's around 165 centimeters, but of course we do need to take care and precaution at all points of times. We do have a lifeguard that will be appointed over here, so it's very safe in terms of safety and everything.
This is the shower area where they can take showers before jumping into the pool. It's like this. And
the floor is pretty cool because it just automatically absorbs the water, which is some of the latest technology that we have. So it's already like a drainage system within the floor itself, which is pretty cool. And we also have a whole view which is overlooking pretty much of the city. It's a perfect place to come, especially if it's in winter time when the weather is nice and cool. So the months of December, Jan, February, it would be amazing over here to chill with your family and your friends, of course, and to have like a nice smoothie and sit by the pool and enjoy the whole view and the outdoor atmosphere. Thank you so much, and we look forward to welcoming you further to the S19 Hotel Al Jaddah. I hope you enjoyed our full tour of the hotel.
we are always glad to assist you here. If you need anything, you can always contact us anytime.
Thank you so much, and we look forward to seeing you.